Want to start your own online business, but scared of losing thousands before making a single sale? Shopify just eliminated that barrier completely. You get 3 days completely free. Then just $1 a month for 3 full months. Grab the exclusive link in the description to claim this deal right now. Or stay with me to see how to turn these 90 days into a real profitable store.
Signing up takes under 2 minutes with no credit card required for the initial free period. Simply enter your email address to start your 3-day, zero-risk trial instantly. Shopify's quick setup wizard personalizes your store experience in just a few clicks. No payment info is needed to enter and explore your full admin dashboard right now. To unlock your $1 monthly deal, simply select any plan inside your dashboard. Any plan you choose will be locked in at $1 a month for your first 3 months. You provide your payment info once, and your first charge is just $1 single dollar. Your 90-day launch runway is now officially activated. Let's start building, beginning with Shopify's AI tools that do all the heavy lifting.
Here's where Shopify completely changes the game for beginners: the AI Store Builder. Instead of spending days building from scratch, you simply describe your business in plain English. In seconds, AI generates your complete store: homepage, product layouts, brand colors, and every word of copy, professionally done. The store is fully responsive on desktop and mobile, with no design or coding skills needed. Every element is fully customizable. Swap fonts, swap colors, your entire store updates live. Compare this to hours of setup work with a blank theme. AI does in seconds what used to take days. All included in your $1 monthly trial. No extra fees, no designers, no developers. This tool alone makes the trial worth claiming today. Next, meet the AI assistant that helps you grow the store after launch. Sidekick is Shopify's commerce-obsessed AI assistant, built directly into every store's dashboard and more powerful than ever. You can ask Sidekick anything, from writing product descriptions to analyzing your best-selling items. It creates discount codes, launches promotions, and executes tasks directly inside your store. Sidekick connects to your third-party apps like Klaviyo, Loop, and Judge Me, taking action across your entire tool stack from one single conversation. And now, Sidekick proactively greets you with insights and a personalized action plan every time you log in. You can even check your store metrics on your Apple Watch on the go, no computer needed. Sidekick is like having a full-time business analyst built into Shopify, and it's included free with every plan. Now, let me show you something truly game-changing: selling your products inside AI platforms like ChatGPT. Here is something that completely changes the game for newbies: Shopify's Agentic Storefronts. A customer goes to ChatGPT, asks for a product recommendation, and your Shopify store's product appears, ready to buy, right inside the conversation. They purchase directly inside the AI chat using Shop Pay. No redirect, no friction. Shopify's product catalog is automatically formatted for AI agents, and Shopify reports these AI-ready products convert at twice the rate of unformatted listings. Inside your Shopify admin, a dedicated AI channel hub shows you exactly which platforms are driving traffic and what AI queries are surfacing your products. Your single Shopify store now reaches customers across every AI channel, social channel, and search engine, all managed from one dashboard. And every merchant on the $1 trial gets access to Agentic Storefronts from day one. No extra fees, no technical setup. With your store now selling inside AI everywhere, let's add products and activate payments. Phase 3 is loading your store with products and activating your payment system. Adding products is straightforward, whether you source from suppliers, use dropshipping apps, or sell your own handmade goods. If you are dropshipping, I have an exclusive link in the description for FFOrder, completely free to use, plus a $15 bonus when you sign up through my link. Shopify Payments activates in one click. accepting credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay out of the box. And you keep more profit because Shopify Payments eliminates third-party gateway fees entirely. Shopify's Campaign Autopilot lets AI automatically manage your marketing campaigns across TikTok, Instagram, Google, and email, learning and optimizing as you grow. Set up automated abandoned cart emails to recover lost buyers passively, even while you sleep. You're now open for business across every channel. Let me address key questions about security.
Before you commit, let's address security and reliability, the two questions every new store owner asks. Shopify powers over 2 million active stores globally and handles even Black Friday traffic spikes without breaking a sweat. Every customer transaction is protected by bank-level PCI Level 1 compliance and free SSL on every store. And during your trial, there are absolutely zero long-term contracts or cancellation fees. If e-commerce turns out not to be for you, you walk away paying only what you used. This makes the $1 trial the lowest risk business test available today.
Let's break down the exact numbers so you see how significant this deal really is. Standard basic plan is $25 a month. That's $75 for 3 months without this deal. Using our link, you save $72 on your first 3 months alone. The one minor thing to know, your store comes with a free subdomain by default, but if you want to look professional and build real customer trust, you will want a custom domain. I have an exclusive Namecheap link in the description with up to 90% off, so you can grab a professional domain for as little as $1 to $2. With that deal, your entire setup, store plus domain, costs almost nothing out of pocket. For just $3 total, you get a full quarter year to build a real, profitable business.
Shopify's 3-day free trial plus 3 months for $1 is the absolute best way to start an online business today. With AI tools, Agentic Storefronts, and a full quarter-year runway, your risk is virtually zero. Click the link in the description right now to lock in your $1 deal before it expires. Start today and turn your idea into a live store. Your 90-day runway is waiting.
Stop wasting money on Shopify apps that don't deliver. Subscribe to Shop Sidekick Official for brutally honest reviews, helping you make the absolute best choices for your store. Plus, unlock exclusive partner deals only for our fans.